How to check Maps history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Maps application on your phone. The Maps app helps you navigate with driving, cycling, walking, and transit directions, discover places like restaurants and attractions, and explore maps with features such as traffic data, satellite view, and more. Once you're here, scroll down to the Recent section and tap on More beside it. You can view the recent locations over here. If you want to delete any record, then hold that location and swipe left. If you want to delete all the records instead, then tap on Clear at the top right corner. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily check Maps history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.